Okay. Now, what I'm trying to telling is.
So I'm going to leave the meeting. Is it fine?
You can leave, huh?
Okay, okay, sure.
Yeah, you can leave.
Okay, okay.
Everybody got joined, huh? Okay, that's fine. What I'm trying to telling to you is this table is going to be dividing into two sections. The first section is T head section. Second section is T body section. Okay, come to the point. In the heading section, what I want to do is I want to take a TR. TR is the table row. And for this TR, I want to take TH tags. TH is something like a serial number. First one is the serial number. And the second TH I want to do. TH.
Sir, what is TH?
TH is table head. TH is table head. T head is head section. T head is head section. Table head section. But TH is table head. TH, table head. T head, top one T head tag is there. That is a T head section. Okay, na? And here this one is something like so qualification. Again, I'm giving qualification. So we already have some students now. So these student values, whatever student values we have, just copy the values here from the top table. We have some top tables here. So just copy the top table values and put inside the T body here. Not in the T head. This body section is only values. Now execute it. I'm not writing any style here. I'm not writing any style sheet here. Can you see and observe? I'm not writing any style sheet here for this table, second table. Am I writing any style here? I already told you, table without style. Okay. Normal attributes we have to give. So what are the attributes? The one is the border. The one is the border. Border is 3. The one is the width of the table. These are actually common. I want to give something like 80% or 100% of the page. And here the thing is, the very important thing is, I'm not writing any style here for TR, first TR. But previous table, what I'm trying to do is, for first TR, I'm writing a lot of style properties. But here for the first TR in the different section, T head section. That is the why reason what it is going to be happening to you. What it is going to be happening to you is right click on this. Okay. Right click on this, go to the browser. You can see and observe something. You can see and observe something. Second table, I'm not writing any styles up. Second table, I'm not writing any style, but automatically bold came. Automatically alignment center came. How this is possible? For second table, I'm not writing any style. Directly it will come center alignment, and directly it will come with the bolder text. How this is possible is yeah, it is
Table head tags.
It tag by the tag, the section tag, table head section tag, T head tag. By the TH values, it got completely changed. Okay, so this is the one more way to create a table. If you want without style, I want to create a table, sir, you can go like this. This is also possible with. Okay, then there is a one more concept called call span and row span. So I will take a paint. What is the call span? What is the row span? I will explain for you. Okay, for example, there are multiple students. Okay, multiple employees are there. For these multiple employees, for example, I am taking a table like this. What a call span is, for example, okay, this is the first row. And this is the second row. And this is the third row. And this is the fourth row. What a call span is, for example, for first row, we have 3 columns, headings, serial number, employee name, serial number, employee name, and something like the salary. And in the second row also we have 3 columns. Second row also we have 3 columns. And third row we have 3 columns. Third row also I got 3 columns. But fourth row, I'm having a single column related to all the columns. Fourth row, we have a single column related to all columns. So this particular context, the fourth row context is basically telling to the each and every person or each and every category. Serial number category, student name category, and salary or employee name category or salary category. For each and every category, the common text I want to show, the common context I want to show. Then we need to give the call span. Call span. Span is something like the area. The total 3 columns need to occupy with a single column, that is basically called call span. You got to understand what call span is? Okay, let me show some images according to the call span. Then you can understand call span. Call span HTML. You can see. Let me go for images. Example, images. Okay, what call span is? A good example I will show. Yeah, can you see this one? Can you see this one? Item is there, quantity is there, price is there, total is there. Can you see something subtotal here? Subtotal is the single column which is related to the 3 columns. One is item name, one is the quantity, one is the price total. For these 3 things, according to these 3 things, I have subtotal single word. I have subtotal single word. This is basically call span. Columns, 3 columns got occupied. And this is also a call span. The total will also call span. Is it clear? How we can able to create a call span in tables? Okay, so what you can do? I will take a H3 table with call span. So can I take this table? Let me take this table. Copy here, down. Which column you want for the last row? For last row, I want to take a single column, and that column is all students from full stack. All students from full stack. I want to give the last column like this. But what about the call span? Call span is 3. How many columns are there? 3 columns. Call span is 3. Now you can see the output of this application. Right click on this, open in default browser. Not saved.
Sir, call span 3 is not there.
Okay, you see. Can you go down? Can you go down? So what happened here? All students from the one column I got, one row I got created according to the all columns. One row I got created, all students from full stack. Is it clear how to create a call span? what I want to do is I just want to make this particular text, all students from full stack, I need to make center. If you want to make center, what you can do? Can you make center tag for 3D? Can you make center tag for 3D? This is possible, huh? Let me check. This will work or not. Let me check this will work or not. Not working. Then we need to write a style sheet for that. For the last TD, we need to write a style sheet. What a style sheet is? TD style text align center. If sometime tag is not working, then you need to write a style sheet. Then it will work definitely. I'm sure. Okay, now you got a text center aligned. Center aligned all students from full stack. This is looking good, huh? You got to understand how this table with call span is. How this call span is working. Now, can I go with the row span? Table with the row span. Table with the row span. Control C. Table with the row span. How row span will work? Okay, so the last one you can remove or keep it. What is there? Now I want to take one more TD. I want to take one more TD for all the rows. One TD extra. One TD extra here. And this particular TD need to occupy what I can give the title for this. Like row span. How many rows are there? 4 rows. What is the value for that? Let me give the full stack. We are actually from. Save it. From it. Can you see and observe? Hyderabad occupied from, and where I need to give this particular row span in the second tier or first tier, where we need to give the tier. Where I'm giving this one. This row span we need to give for the first row. Control Z. So this I want to give. Now you can see the first row also got occupied. The first column also got occupied. Something is missing. This is the row span, right? I want to give this TD. Take this TD. Is missing. Row span is there. All span. This is copied for 2 times. Let me check what is happening here. Students from this type. Row span is working. Call span is working. Row span is working. Row span we have an issue. Can I write complete one more time? Table with the row span. Row span. Okay. So let me take a table. And this table, which is going to be having some border. I will take a different data for this border, and the width of the table is 100%. Now I'll go for TRs. This first TR will be having some TD. And this TD is okay, ID, product ID. And second TD is product name. Third one is product price. Product price. So I'll be having a lot of TRs here. First TR product ID is 101. Second, first TD is product ID 1001. The second TD is product name, something like iPhone. Third TD is product price. Product price, something like 45,000. Okay, let me have multiple TRs here. Control C, Control V, Control V. Yeah, enough. Now we are working for the row span. So for the row span, what I want to do is I just want to specify the discount for all the. I will check here. Discount. For all these products, I want to give the discount 5% here or 15% discount. Let me give the 15%. Okay, this particular 15% discount need to occupy for how many rows? Row span for 3. Yes or no? Discount is one column already available. For that column, a single value I want to pass. Single value I want to pass. Okay. Not saved. Save it.
And I'll open it.
And open here. Okay, now call span is working properly. And row span also working properly. Can you see how row span is? What about discount for all the products? A single discount we are actually providing. If you want, you can change the names of the products. 1002. It's our Nexus. 1003. It's Samsung. Product price is 35,000. Product price is 25,000. And discount as usual. Common discount I'm going to be providing from the shop. 15% discount. Okay. Can you refresh it? Go down. So we have the table with row span now. We have a table with the row span now. And we have a table with the call span, the top one. And the top table is table without style. The top one is table with style. Okay, the last table is not feel good. I want to write some style sheet for that. Style, text align center, and font weight bold, and font style italic. See some properties for look and feel. And the color blue. I'm just giving more and more properties for the top one. Can you go down? Can you see what is happening here? Product ID 1001, product ID 1002, ID 1003. iPhone, XS, Samsung. 45,000, 35,000, 25,000. The common discount I am going to be providing for all the products, which is something like 15%. Which is something like 15%. Okay, so I'm having a simple assignment for you guys. Create a template using with a table. Create a web template. Create a web page template using from the table. So when you want to create a website using with the table is very simple. I will explain the diagram, then you can try to work on. For example, I want to create a simple website like this. I want to create a simple website like this. And this website need to have some header like this. And inside the header, I want to have a logo here. Inside this header, I want to have a logo here. And inside this header, I want to have some buttons here. Some navbars. On top of the navbar, I want to type some menu icons. Okay. And in the bottom, we need to take one more section. Take one more section in the bottom, this section. And this section need to dividing into the two parts. One part need to occupy 20% of the screen. Remaining part need to occupy 80% of the screen. This part need to occupy 20% of the screen. And this part need to occupy 80% of the screen. See, I'm giving percentages also for you. And this particular one is 100%. What you can do is take a table tag. And here take a tr tag. This one is tr. And take another big tr. And we have a td. This one is td. And this one is td. Okay, try to create a template using with the table tags. Got to understand how to create a template using with the table tag? Sir, am I audible to you guys?
Yes.
Am I audible to you?
Sir,
Yes, sir.
sir, simple table we have to create in that in heading we have to give some data, and after that in table data we have to fill some entries like that.
Yeah, same thing, same
Or,
way. But without text, you have to provide some images, see kind of data, whatever you want, some paragraphs. Without text, you can keep paragraphs, you can keep buttons inside. See, basically, in our program, what we are trying to doing is I'm just writing some product names and all. Instead of this PD, instead of this iPhone, you can give some data. You can give an image or you can give some paragraph. You can give some sections.
okay, means you are saying you should not write text. Anything you
No.
can give.
Text is not important. I am actually showing the structure of the table by giving some text. See, without text also you can do something. Then after that you can remove the borders and all. Then it feel good. Table border, then you can remove. First keep the border for understanding purpose. After that you can remove the border property. When you remove the border property, that lines will go. Lines will go off. Structure should be available. See, if you want, you can search for something. So create a web page using with table template. See, there are a lot of examples you can table website templates. You can see a lot of examples. From those examples, you can practice. See, all these are actually table templates. Table website template. Free website template. Create a template using with the table tag. Create a template using with table tag. See, there are multiple URLs you will be finding out. Create HTML emails using the yeah, he is creating with a table tag. Can you see this is using with the table tag? This template created with the table tag. Simple landing page, simple template, whatever you want, you can create. Or create a gallery application using with the table tag. Let me give you assignments. This is one assignment. So what is the date today? 10/8 I created. Inside this, open notes. See, please write down, sir. Open your notes and write down whatever the assignments we have. Create a simple template using with table tag. Create a news reading block. Using with table tag. Create a image gallery. Using with table tag. See, these are the 3 assignments you try to do here. And tomorrow I'll start with the CSS. HTML5 advanced concepts, some concepts are there, but those concepts, first of all, we need to understand JavaScript. Without understanding JavaScript, HTML5 new template, new concepts we can't understand. So that is the very reason after JavaScript, I am going through HTML5, then I will go to the Bootstrap. First, we will go through the CSS and JavaScript. Then we will go through Bootstrap and HTML5 and Bootstrap. Then we will see how React will be, how people want to work on the React or not. So tomorrow I'm going to be starting with the CSS. Tomorrow same time. Is there any questions so far?